Today I am going to explain mirror formula, that is 1 by f equal 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f, meaning of f is focal length, v distance of image, and where u is distance of object. For the proof of mirror formula we have to consider concave mirror. So APB be the aperture of the concave mirror, P that is pole, and this horizontal line is known as principal axis. Here M and B is your upright object and which is placed at V distance in front of the mirror, and for the image of this upright object we need two reflected ray. So for that, now the first incident ray which is parallel with the principal axis then strike on the mirror. After reflection, by the law it will be passing through focus like this. Now the second one which is passing through the center of curvature then strike on the mirror. Then by the law, after reflection, it will reflect back to the same path but in opposite direction. So here the first reflected ray and the second reflected ray, both are intersect to each other at the point M dash. So this point is known as image. The point image means the intersection of two reflected ray, that is called image point. So M dash B is your image point, and for the size of image we have to draw the perpendicular line on the principal axis like this. So M dash N dash is your inverted and real image which is formed in front of the mirror. Okay, now then geometry. Here we have to join M dash P and MP. Then after we have to draw the perpendicular line RS on the principal axis. So RS is your perpendicular line on the principal axis. Now then here we can see that first triangle, name of the first triangle is MNP. Look, MNP, and the second triangle is M dash N dash P, M dash N dash P. So these are similar triangles, and according to property of similar triangle we can write according to property the ratio of corresponding side of two similar triangle always be equal. So here in this triangle MPN, here perpendicular is MN, and in this triangle M dash N dash. So perpendicular upon perpendicular, then base upon base. So for the first triangle base is NP. Now for the second triangle N dash P. So MN upon M dash N dash which is equal to NP upon N dash P. Now the value of NP, here the value of NP means distance of object, and the normally distance of object is denoted by letter U. But according to sign convention, your object is placed in front of the mirror. That's why we have to write here negative sign. So minus u and minus v, minus minus cancel. Then we get mn upon m dash n dash is equal to u by v. Now this is your equation number 1. Now similarly, we can write another triangles. Name of the triangle is RSF and m dash n dash f. Both are similar triangle. Then we know that if two triangles are similar, so we can write their by SAS rule, that means the ratio of corresponding sides should be equal. So here in the first triangle, here the perpendicular is RS. Now the second triangle perpendicular is M dash N dash and the base FS, and here N dash F. So according to this diagram, this RS which is equal to MN, which is equal to in the length of MN. So we can replace RS by MN. So here RS is equal to MN. So this RS replaced by MN, and upon M dash N dash as it is, then equal sign. Then if I write one condition, if aperture of the mirror is so small, then this point S will be coincide with the P. Okay, so this S replaced by P. So here this F point is replaced by P. So we can write FP then whole upon N dash F. Now in this triangle, in this diagram we can write here N dash F. Basically N dash F is equal to N dash F means N dash P minus FP. This N dash P minus FP is equal to N dash F. So N dash F replaced by N dash P minus FP. Then after we can put the values. FP means F focal length, N dash P that means distance of image, FP means again focal length, but according to sign convention we have to write negative sign. So here minus F, then whole upon minus V, then minus sign and minus F. Minus minus becomes plus, So minus f as it is upon on the denominator we can write minus v plus f, equation number 2. Now if we compare equation 1 and equation 2, we can here look, one side is equal m dash n upon m dash n, and again here mn upon m dash n. So one side is equal, so we can write the other side, that is u by v is equal to minus f upon f minus v, then cross multiplication uf minus uv is equal to minus fv, we can write uf plus fv equal to uf, equation number 3rd, then dividing by uvf on the both sides. So uf upon uvf plus sign uvf upon uv, here is vf upon uvf equal uv upon uvf. Now uf cancel, then we get 1 by v. Here vf cancel, then we get 1 by u, and here uv cancel, then we get 1 by m. So this is your mirror formula. Thank you.